The 1997 is a good one to look for. $1.50 to $23. Only 5.7 million were produced, which makes it a scarce coin. Anything between 5 million mintage and 10 million mintage is considered scarce. Anything below 5 million is considered rare. So there we go. That's the 10-cent coin list. But we've got a roll right here of 10-cent coins, and there's $4 worth in each roll. So we've got plenty of opportunities. So to find some things that are worth holding on to, things that are worth a bit more, or just to put straight into your collection. Oi, check that coin out. Nice, and it's a bit different, unique. So I'll probably be putting that one aside. Let's check it out. We'll go straight to it. What's happened here? Looks like it might have been caught up in a fire or something like that, being toasted away. But that's interesting. I wonder what has happened to that. I'll put it aside just out of interest sakes, but we'll get back into the start of this roll and we'll go through the whole lot and see what we've got. See if we can find a 1997 or any of those other years that are worth holding on to. Another good one for the 10-cent coins is the 1985s, 2011s, 1991s, 2018s. Excuse me. It's close. That was a 2012. Checking the dates. So when I flip the coins over, I'm looking at these dates here because I know which dates to look for. I can easily refer to my lists, and my lists are available through the link in my account if you want to get a hold of those. They've been quite popular lately. So, and it's just handy to have it next to you, the lists, and then you can just quickly refer to it and get a bit of an idea on what they're worth, what people are willing to pay for them currently. So none of those dates so far, and that's sort of expected because they are rarer coins or scarce coins, so they are a bit harder to find, and that's where the value comes from. So a bit more value in them because they are hard to find, and people are happy to pay a bit of money for people who do find them to send them to them so they can put them into their collections and complete whatever they're looking for. Cool.